Johnson County, southeastern Marion County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Greenwood to 8 miles southeast of Franklin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Marietta and Bogstown around 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fairland around 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Shelbyville and New Palestine around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Waldron, Greenfield, Morristown, Manila, Moscow, Carthage, and Arlington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 80 and 102. Interstate 74 between mile markers 99 and 122. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hancock, Johnson, Marion, Rush, and Shelby. Taking a look at the 4 through 7 day forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana. For Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers. Highs in the upper 70s. For Tuesday night, warmer. Showers likely and a slight chance of thunderstorms.